We've got a baby tank. Look at this. A tank that's smaller than the... If you hear all that noise, yeah, well, there was a power outage, so all the generators are going. Yeah, so check out that baby tank. Little guy. He's smaller than the eastern grays right now, and then there's a little chipmunk off there. Alright, it's pouring rain out. For anyone who wonders if squirrels eat in the rain, it's starting to come down even harder. Oh man, this is going to be hard to video. It's not going to work very good in the rain. There's Rumi. Here's, is that Hansi? Oh, hey, Hansi. I've been gone all day because the power's been out. And, yeah, they're happy to see me. Here's Tails. Hey, Tails. Go. Someone coming out of the Hope Memorial. It's Sweet Eyes. Sweet Eyes. I'm back in the Hope Memorial. There's somebody right here. It's hot pants. There's somebody. There's somebody. These are the moments I don't usually video, but here they are. So it's me and Condo Girl, and it's raining big time. And so she's sitting right there, I'm sitting right here, and we're just staying dry. She got a little wet. She got a little wet when I was out in the front yard when this started videoing. So she got a little wet at that point, but now she's got somewhere dry to go. We've been sitting here for a while, which is why there's a nut pile. Went out and I tried using the broom to move it all, but it just keeps filling up as fast as I move it, as water will do. She got another nut and she's just going to stay in here now.